COVID itself is likely a consequence of our abusive relationship with the natural world, but it is just one such consequence.
A call to ramp up efforts to protect and restore ecosystems. Science has shown that biodiversity loss increases the risk of infectious and zoonotic diseases. The United Kingdom's Environment Minister warns on why country recovery plans should not neglect climate action and the transition to a greener economy.
Governments everywhere are currently designing their economic recovery packages, and they can stick with the status quo, bailing out high carbon, environmentally damaging industries and locking in decades of emissions, or they can choose to make environmental sustainability and resilience the lens through which we map out our recovery.
The short-term fiscal recovery plans that each country has must align with not only the economic goals, but include environmental targets as well. The high-level panel believes what the pandemic has done is allow countries an opportunity to reset and restart with more focused and greener ambitions.
According to the new tracking report, there are 789 million people that still don't have access to electricity. Of that, 565 million reside in Africa. So in terms of recovering better, it's important that they recover better in a clean and sustainable way to transition for all.
COVID-19 should not be used as an excuse to derail commitments made by member states in the COP26 Climate Paris Agreement 5 years ago. Rwanda is the only African country to have submitted their improved climate ambitions in line with the agreement. The country's UN representative says the loss of life from the pandemic is being closely monitored, but it's not the same for climate change.
The loss of life and the economic loss to climate action is less visible than the loss due to COVID-19. Out of top of my mind, top of any country, if you ask them how many lives have been lost to COVID-19 in their country, they will tell you with preciseness, exactly, because those are monitored on a daily basis. But if you ask them how many lives they have lost to climate disasters, what has been the impact on the economy? Well, the data is less clear because it's less closely monitored.
With only a handful of countries having submitted their improved climate action plans, strategizing on how to create societies post-COVID-19 gives the space to ensure a resilient and cleaner recovery. Noma Bolani, SABC News.